Buyer activity on the Eastern Shore continues to be challenged, and this week's numbers reflect a lower median sold price. It's Friday, March 27th, 2026. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker owner of Kinetic Realty, your go-to real estate resource in Maryland. This is the weekly Eastern Shore report. Housing affordability continues to be a challenge in most of our areas of Maryland. Data indicates that the median sold price increased 35% between 2020 and 2025, creating a gap between the median household income and the income needed to qualify for the median priced home. The largest income gaps are on the Eastern Shore, where housing prices are outpacing income needed to purchase more than 50%. Inventory of homes for sale on the Eastern Shore is definitely up to 2,050 units and at a median list price of $409,000. These properties have been active for a median 76 days. 165 homes will be coming to the market at a $475,000 median list price. 156 homes went under contract this report. These went under contract in 22 days and the median list price was $377,500. 128 homes sold in 57 days at 96.2%, and the median list price was $365,000. Rentals rose to 166 units with a median monthly rental of $2,125 per month. These rentals have been on the market for 55 days. That's your weekly wrap for this week's Maryland Eastern Shore Report for Friday, March 27, 2026. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. I'll see you next week. Take care.